Next, we'll take a look at making an outline to put around your text. You may wish to start with a new blank canvas that's 1600 by 2400 pixels in size for each section of this part of the course, as it might be easier for you to keep track of each step by having them all separated out. When you feel more comfortable with these techniques, you can include them in your actual book cover file. Start by selecting the text tool and typing in some text that you would like to use. Click the color box in the tool options on the left side to change the color of your text to something besides black, as we will use black for the outline color. Next, right-click somewhere inside of the text layer, and you will see a menu appear. From this menu, choose Path from Text. Next, go to the Layer menu and choose to create a new layer. Give your layer a name of Outline and make sure the Fill With box shows transparency. Then click OK. Go to the Select menu and choose the From Path option. Now you will see a moving dotted line around each letter of your text, showing you the selected area. Go to the Select menu and choose the Grow option. Enter a value of 10 into the box and click OK. Your selected area is now enlarged by 10 pixels. To the lower left corner of the active foreground and background selection boxes, you will see a small icon with one black square and one white square. If you click this, it will set the default colors for both options, so the foreground color will go back to black and the background color will go back to white. Simply click that button for a quick way to reset to the defaults. Then, with black as your active foreground color, select the Bucket Fill tool again and click inside the selected area. You will know you'll be able to click it because if you are outside of the selected area, a small no symbol will appear next to your cursor. But when you're inside the selected area, you'll see the picture of the small squares for foreground and background color, letting you know you are able to click there to fill. Fill the selection with black, then go to the Select menu and choose the None option to deselect. In the Layers panel, use the down arrow to move your outline layer below your text layer. Finally, go to View, choose the Zoom option, and select either 50% or 100% to better view your text. Now you should see a small black outline around the outside of your text. To get a better idea of what it looks like with the outline and without, you can use the human eye icon to toggle the visibility of the outline layer on and off. Keep in mind that if you make changes to your text, such as moving it around on your canvas or adding or removing text from it, you will need to recreate the outline because it will no longer match up.